Great value isn't just about price, it's about what you get every day you ride. These Yamaha motorcycles prove you don't need to spend big to ride smart. Number 7. Yamaha MT-07. The Yamaha MT-07 continues to stand out as one of the smartest value motorcycles on the road in 2026. It's simple, dependable, and surprisingly fun to ride, whether you're commuting during the week or heading out for a relaxed weekend trip. Riders appreciate how easy this bike feels from the very first mile, especially if they want strong performance without unnecessary complexity. At the heart of the MT-07 is a lively 689 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine that delivers smooth, responsive power in everyday riding. It's not intimidating, but it has more than enough strength to keep highway rides comfortable and confident. Another reason riders love this bike is its manageable wet weight of around 406 pounds, which makes low-speed handling and parking much easier than many larger motorcycles. On top of that, the MT-07 is known for its attractive price point, making it one of the most accessible midsize bikes in Yamaha's lineup. What truly makes the MT-07 special is how balanced it feels in real life. It's quick when you want excitement, yet calm and predictable when you just want a smooth ride home. This is the kind of motorcycle that makes everyday riding feel effortless while still putting a smile on your face. Number 6. Yamaha Tenere 700. The Yamaha Tenere 700 has built a strong reputation as one of the most dependable adventure motorcycles riders can buy in 2026. It's designed for people who want freedom, the kind of freedom to leave the pavement behind without worrying about complicated electronics or fragile parts. Whether you're exploring back roads, traveling long distances, or simply riding through rough conditions, this bike feels tough, honest, and ready for the journey. Power comes from a proven 689 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine that delivers steady, usable performance across a wide range of riding situations. It pulls smoothly at low speeds and remains comfortable on the highway, which makes it ideal for riders who want one motorcycle that can do almost everything. Another big advantage is the Tenere's generous fuel tank capacity of about 4.2 gallons, giving riders a solid travel range before needing to stop. Its long travel suspension also helps absorb bumps and uneven roads, providing confidence when the terrain gets challenging. What makes the Tenere 700 such incredible value is its durability and simplicity. It's built to last, easy to maintain, and trusted by riders around the world. This is the kind of motorcycle that makes you feel ready for any road, even the ones that don't exist yet. Number 5. Yamaha XSR 700. The Yamaha XSR 700 is a perfect example of how style and value can come together in one very practical motorcycle. In 2026, many riders choose this bike because it offers classic retro looks without sacrificing modern reliability or everyday usability. It feels friendly, comfortable, and easy to live with, especially for riders who want something that looks special but still performs like a dependable daily machine. Under the tank, the XSR 700 uses Yamaha's trusted 689 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine. Known for its smooth delivery and strong low-end power, it responds quickly when you twist the throttle yet remains calm and predictable in city traffic. Another big advantage is its comfortable seat height of around 32.9 inches, which gives most riders a confident footing at stops. The bike is also known for its reasonable price, making it one of the most affordable retro-styled motorcycles that still feels premium. What truly makes the XSR 700 such a strong value choice is its personality. It looks timeless, rides smoothly, and doesn't demand constant attention or complicated maintenance. You get the charm of a classic motorcycle with the reliability of modern engineering. This is the kind of bike that makes every ride feel enjoyable, even the short trips you take every single day. Number 4. Yamaha Tracer 9. The Yamaha Tracer 9 has become a favorite among riders who want serious performance and long-distance comfort without stepping into luxury bike pricing. In 2026, it stands out as one of the best value sport touring motorcycles because it blends power, smoothness, and practicality into one very capable package. Whether you're commuting during the week or planning a full-day highway ride, this bike feels stable, refined, and ready for the miles ahead. Power comes from a strong 890 cubic centimeters three-cylinder engine that delivers confident acceleration and effortless cruising, especially when riding with luggage or a passenger. It has the kind of power that feels reassuring rather than overwhelming. Another big advantage is the generous fuel tank capacity of about 5 gallons, which supports longer rides with fewer fuel stops, something touring riders truly appreciate. The comfortable upright riding position and wind protection also help reduce fatigue on longer journeys. What makes the Tracer 9 such impressive value is how much capability you get in one motorcycle. It feels premium, versatile, and dependable, yet still remains accessible compared to many larger touring machines. This is the kind of bike that makes long rides feel smooth, controlled, and genuinely enjoyable from start to finish. Number 3. Yamaha MT-03. The Yamaha MT-03 proves that a smaller motorcycle can still deliver big value in 2026. It's one of the easiest bikes to live with, especially for riders who want something light, affordable, and dependable for daily use. Whether you're commuting through city traffic or taking short highway trips, the MT-03 feels friendly, predictable, and very confidence-inspiring from the moment you start riding. At its core is a smooth 321 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine that provides steady performance without feeling intimidating. It accelerates cleanly and handles everyday riding with ease, making it a great option for newer riders or anyone who prefers a simple, stress-free experience. Another major advantage is its light wet weight of about 373 pounds, which makes maneuvering, parking, and low-speed riding noticeably easier than heavier motorcycles. On top of that, the MT-03 is widely known for its excellent fuel efficiency, helping riders save money over time. What truly makes the MT-03 such a smart value choice is how practical it feels in real life. It's comfortable, economical, and incredibly easy to control in tight spaces. This is the kind of motorcycle that builds confidence every single day and makes riding feel simple, enjoyable, and worry-free. Number 2. Yamaha R7. The Yamaha R7 delivers the look and feel of a true sport bike while still offering excellent everyday value in 2026. Many riders are surprised by how comfortable and manageable it feels compared to more aggressive supersport machines. It's sporty enough to be exciting, yet practical enough to ride regularly without feeling worn out. That balance is exactly why the R7 continues to gain loyal fans around the world. Power comes from Yamaha's proven 689 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine, known for its strong mid-range performance and smooth throttle response. It gives riders confident acceleration when merging onto highways or passing slower traffic. Another important advantage is the bike's relatively light wet weight of around 414 pounds, which helps it feel stable and easy to control in corners. The riding position is sporty but still comfortable enough for longer rides than many people expect. What makes the Yamaha R7 such impressive value is its versatility. It looks like a serious performance machine, but it doesn't punish you with high costs or difficult handling. You get excitement, reliability, and everyday usability in one package. This is the kind of motorcycle that makes you feel proud every time you open the garage and see it waiting for the next ride. Number 1. Yamaha Bolt R-Spec. The Yamaha Bolt R-Spec earns the top spot because it delivers true cruiser character at a price that many riders can comfortably afford. In 2026, it remains one of the best value choices for riders who want a simple, strong, and dependable motorcycle without paying premium cruiser prices. It feels solid, relaxed, and easy to enjoy, especially for riders who appreciate comfort and classic styling over unnecessary complexity. At the center of the Bolt R-Spec is a reliable 942 cubic centimeter V-twin engine that produces smooth, steady torque right from low speeds. It pulls confidently away from traffic lights and feels relaxed on open roads, making everyday riding feel calm and controlled. Another big advantage is its low seat height of about 27.2 inches, which gives riders excellent confidence when stopping or maneuvering in tight spaces. The bike is also widely recognized for its reasonable purchase price, making it one of the most affordable full-size cruisers in its class. What truly makes the Bolt R-Spec stand out is its simplicity. It's easy to maintain, comfortable to ride, and built to last for years. This is the kind of motorcycle that delivers honest value every time you turn the key and head out for a peaceful ride. Smart riders know real value when they feel it on the road. Ride safe, enjoy every mile, and subscribe for more reliable motorcycle insights.